Welcome to our video on how to find a book using Enterprise. If you're looking for a book, you can search the library catalogue, Enterprise. You can do this on your phone, on your laptop, or on the computers that are in the library. Go to the library homepage, which is www.reading.ac.uk/library, and then just use the top search box. When searching, we usually suggest that you use one or two keywords from the title and the author's surname, if you know it. Type those into the search box and click on Search. Here's the results page, and it shows you information about the book and information about where the book is on the shelf. You need to know which floor the book is on in the library, which you can see here, and you also need to know the call number. A call number is made up of a set of numbers and 3 letters. The numbers refer to the subject of the book. The letters usually refer to the author or sometimes the title. You'll find books on a similar topic are kept together on the shelves. Make sure to take a screenshot or write down the call number so that you remember where to look. If you want to look for books on a particular topic, try searching on keywords. You can then look through your results and find the most useful books to read. Use the options on the left to limit or filter your results. For example, click online to only show you the ebooks we have available. To then open and read an ebook, just click onto the Click Here link. If you've not yet logged into your university account, you will need to log in using your username and password. Remember, if you need any help, please just ask a member of staff.